we're gonna tackle Hazel's room. She has toys everywhere, so I'm hoping once I get the Christmas kind of put away, it'll feel a little less chaotic in here. We've got toys that I can't even figure out to put together. We've got my Starbucks mess, y'all. But I just went and grabbed this from Target, so she has her own little separate tub, so it's easy to find. And then I grabbed some bubble wrap for all of her little figurines and stuff. So let's do it. Thank you all so much for joining us again today as we tackle my house, which is an absolute disaster. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already. I'm so happy to have you and to start 2022 in the YouTube world. We just started in October, so happy to have you here, and I hope you enjoy. And if you haven't undecorated your house yet, I'm envious of you. I really wanted to leave mine up, but let's tackle it together today. I feel like I'm gonna cry putting these away. Like, I don't want to. She got this super cute little rocking horse too from Grandma. Sad day, but we'll bring them back out next year and act like it's the same thing.
Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand.
Decorate for Christmas. Do you do like a winter display? Do you go straight into spring? What do you do? I always go into spring, and it always feels so weird because it's still like freezing outside. And in Texas, January and February actually are our coldest months, so it just feels so weird having all these bright florals around. But I don't know what else to do. It feels weird doing like a wintry thing. So let me know what you do below.
Agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Scale the world in hands as we go.
Also, I just have to tell you, before y'all start judging me about throwing all these Christmas cards in the dang trash, I was so bad about hoarding cards. Like, I would literally have cards from like my 5th birthday. And so when I finally got a house phone, I was like, I can't do this anymore. Like, this is not happening. So just know, it is very hard for me to throw these away. Even though it doesn't look like it, it looks like I just so effortlessly threw them away. I really thought about where I can stash them, but I don't need them. We'll get more next year. I love all your beautiful faces, but you got to go.
Easy we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Gravel beyond all.
What are some of your favorite cleaning supplies? I always use Myers, but for Christmas, all I literally wanted was cleaning stuff. So I got a bunch of new cleaning like tools, and I always like spend way too long in the Target cleaning aisle. So what are some of your favorites? I heard my sister told me about the new I think it's called Pink something, and it's supposed to clean anything, like literally anything. And I meant to ask her how she likes it, but has anybody heard of that? What are your favorite things? Let me know, because I need them all.
We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone.
My mom's gonna be so excited to see this because she got me this blinds cleaner in my stocking. I was like, Mom, I don't have any blinds. We have like the accordion curtain things, but cleaning that wine rack was like marvelous with that thing. So go, Mom.
One single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my
What do you guys do this time of the year? Me and my husband always say it's like the dog days of the year. Like, what we wrapped our whole lives around for the last few months is now over. So what do you do to like stay motivated? This last couple weeks, it has been so hard for me to like literally want to do anything. Like, I don't want to work, I don't want to clean, I don't know. And those are the things that I love to do. So how do you do it? How do we get through these days that just seem like, what do we even do with our lives anymore? You know, like how you feel like you don't have any like meaning because what we just did was done. It's over. Now what? I know someone has to feel this too.
We can spend all day in bed.
Also, as I'm sure you can see the TV, I started watching Made when I started undecorating, and I binged it. Some of the girls at workout told me to watch it. You guys, if you haven't seen it yet, it's so good. Apparently it is a true story. Obviously, Netflix, changed some things a little bit to make it more dramatic, but it's so good. If you haven't watched it, you gotta go do it.
Shut the lights, go infrared.
This is so depressing. Also, really don't want to take those down. It was such a process putting those up. I don't want to do it.
When we were young, running from all things at once, without thinking twice. And I knew it would catch up, and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave.
Okay, it's officially all down except for the 3 trees I have to tackle, but I'm gonna box all this up, get it back into the attic, and then we'll do one more deep clean before we redecorate the whole house so it doesn't look like we're moving, because it is so bare. Oh my gosh, I can't handle it. This year for Christmas from Drew, and you guys, I have wanted this for so long, but the price, I just couldn't justify it. But it has literally been a life changer. Like, we have Pongo, he is like a pit bull terrier mix, but he sheds like ridiculously, and he's black, and as you can see, our house is very light, so nothing that I would do could clean it up. Like, I'd be vacuuming 2 to 3 times a day. I'm not even joking. With the Dyson, I'm now vacuuming maybe 2 to 3 times a week. Oh my gosh, it's magical. All the attachments that it came with, Dyson sponsor me because your girl's obsessed. The couch like vacuum attachment that it came with, oh my gosh, it is heavenly. So if you have been on the fence about it but can't justify the price, I'm here to justify it for you, because I was the same way. It makes my life so much easier. So much easier.
Still wonder where you are. If you found a way out, come seek me out.
Also got a steam mop for Christmas, but I got the Dyson a little bit early because I just was too excited. I couldn't wait. So now I've been like spoiled with no cord, and so I can't tell you how many times with the steam mop I've ripped it out of the wall because I just forget that it's there. Having a cordless thing is so nice, but I love this. I've never had one before, and I hate the Swiffers. Like I said, with having Pongo, it's just so dirty, so I'd have to use like 5 of them every time I mop. So love the steam mop.
And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
It is a new day. It took me so long to undecorate, and mostly because I was just procrastinating. Like, I did not want to do it so bad. So we're on day 2 now of finishing up cleaning. We're in the boutique room, getting that all squared away because there's so much dust that gets collected in here because of all the boxes coming in and out. So this definitely needed a good clean, but we're almost done. Almost done.
I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
Can we stay here forever?
I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop.
Do you guys decorate for Valentine's Day? I always told myself once Hazel was here I would, but I just didn't get around to it this year, and I love all the decorations. They're super, super cute, and I feel like the Dollar Tree has really good ones this year for Valentine's Day. Now I feel like it's a little bit too late, like once it's up, it's just gonna come back down, so maybe next year, but if you do, let me know, and if you have any good ideas, I'd love to hear them. Also, I feel like a super extravagant Easter tablescape is in order. I do decorate for Easter, and I go pretty all out for Easter, but I didn't do a tablescape last year, and this year I feel like it needs to happen. Like, go big or go home, right? Let me know if that's something you'd like to see.
Oh, would you stay with me now till the morning light before you turn away?
And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining us. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Next week we decorate, so our house won't look like we're moving anymore. So thanks for being here. Have an amazing week, and we'll see y'all next week. Bye.
I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Maybe I'm just too weak. Maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or if I leave tonight. We could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning? Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be if I leave tonight? We could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me.